Hey guys, we received this wireless gaming headset for PC, PS5 for test and try. You can also use it for PS4, Switch, Mac, 2.4 GHz wireless gaming headphones with the ENC noise cancelling, with the Bluetooth 5.4 and the cool lightning effect. So let's just open the box. So it's you can see this comes in this folding thing. So you can of course open and fold. So it's more portable and take less space as compared. And then this have this cushioned form, so it's very easy on the ears, and you can wear it for a long time. So it have a 3D surround sound as well. And then we are just seeing like the elasticity of the things. It have a mic, inbuilt microphone with this cable thing, and you can stretch it from here and adjust it based on your space or the head space or the size. So the microphone is very helpful. This also have this aux cable, so you can use it with this aux. So it can be a wired, or it can be with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, or you can use it with the Bluetooth. You can see a cool light effect here. That is pretty cool. And then also have a comfortable wear here, covers up the whole ear, and then from the sides as well with a different light functions thing that I will show a little cool effect if you on it, and then microphone is comes really nice place with that one. Let me just start this headphone. So it pretty connected nicely and is a really nice sound quality as well, and is nice to speak and comfortable, and you can see the light impact with this gaming headset.